December 2025. Tesla Pi phone, $199. The question isn't whether it's real. The real question is this: could a Tesla phone actually fix the three things you hate most about smartphones? Your battery gets worse every year. You're forced to upgrade every 2 to 3 years. Your internet bill never goes down. If Tesla is serious, they would have to attack all three at once. Today, I'm breaking this down across 4 layers: battery, Starlink connectivity, apps, security against scams. One detail will decide whether this is a game changer or the biggest tech clickbait of the decade. Full transparency: Tesla has not confirmed this phone exists. This is a technical feasibility analysis, what could be done and what it would mean for you. Let's begin. 1. The power revolution. Battery first, everything else second. If you hear Tesla phone and think about cameras, you're already looking in the wrong direction. Tesla's only real advantage over Apple and Samsung is power and energy management. They've been building battery systems for 15 years. The rumored spec: 6,145 mAh battery. For context, iPhone Pro Max, 4,600 mAh. Most flagships, 4,500 to 5,000 mAh. But capacity isn't the most important number. Cycle life is. Tesla doesn't design for wow on day one. They design so you don't think about charging 2 years later. Now about aluminum-ion batteries. Some rumors mention aluminum-ion chemistry, which on paper offers better thermal stability, faster charging, longer lifespan. But let's be honest, as of late 2024 into 2025, aluminum-ion is still largely R&D. So treat that as a possibility, not a promise. What's more realistic is Tesla's charging philosophy: 10 to 80% in about 40 minutes. Not the fastest, but optimized to preserve battery health. Tesla has always preferred longevity over headline speed. And then there's the wild card. 2. Solar backup. Not a gimmick, a safety net. Yes, rumors mention a solar charging layer on the back. No, it won't replace your wall charger. This is not about daily charging, it's about resilience. Road trips, camping, power outages, natural disasters. Enough energy to make calls, send messages, use maps. A survival feature, not a marketing trick. Combine that with a 6,100 mAh battery and suddenly satellite connectivity becomes plausible. Which brings us to the most misunderstood part of this rumor. 3. Starlink reality check. Physics versus hype. This is where most videos get it wrong. Starlink works best with clear line of sight to the sky. Indoors? Concrete walls, steel beams, multiple floors. Physics wins. So if Tesla ever does this properly, it won't be magic satellite internet everywhere. The most realistic solution is a window relay system. A small device placed near a window, direct line of sight to the satellites, rebroadcast signal indoors via mesh network. Your phone connects to the relay, not the satellite. That's not sci-fi, that's practical engineering. But here's the bigger question: can it replace a normal smartphone? Starlink is data, not voice. A real Tesla phone would need hybrid connectivity. Starlink for remote areas and emergencies, 5G and eSIM for cities and voice calls, Wi-Fi and mesh indoors, all switching automatically. If you notice it switching, it's bad engineering. If it just works, it's good engineering. Now about free Starlink for life. Highly unlikely to mean unlimited. More likely, basic tier included maps, messages, email, paid upgrade for streaming and hotspot use. That's how Tesla prices everything else. Would you switch phones just for that? Comment below. 4. Built to last. Why Tesla won't chase thinness. Tesla doesn't design disposable products. Their cars are built for 200,000 plus miles, not 3-year leases. Expect the same mindset here. Yes, the phone might be slightly thicker, slightly heavier, but also stronger frame, bigger battery, less fragile. For many people over 40, that's a feature, not a flaw. If the foldable version rumor is real, the 8-inch unfolded display isn't about flexing. It's about larger text, easier reading, clearer maps, better video calls. This isn't for impressing friends, it's for usability. 5. The make or break issue, apps. This is where Tesla wins or fails completely. Hardware doesn't matter without apps. Tesla realistically has 3 paths. Android compatibility layer, fastest path, proven by companies like Huawei. Progressive web apps plus essentials, banking, messaging, maps, and media. Direct partnerships with major developers. Slower, best long-term performance. Most likely a hybrid of all 3. But be clear, if apps aren't usable on day 1, the phone fails, period. 6. Security, where Tesla could actually win. This is Tesla's quiet advantage. A Tesla phone would likely use hardware-level encryption keys, sandboxed apps, on-device AI scam detection, no cloud scanning, no data leaving your phone. And this matters, especially for older users. Scams targeting adults over 50 are exploding. Fake bank texts, tech support scams, phishing emails. If Tesla can't protect users better than Apple or Google, it shouldn't build a phone. Trust is non-negotiable. So, is the Tesla Pi phone real? We don't know. But if it exists, it wins or loses on 4 things: battery longevity, Starlink with realistic indoor solutions, apps on day 1, protection against scams. $199 sounds cheap, but if it lasts longer, reduces upgrades, and cuts connectivity costs, Tesla isn't selling a phone. They're changing the math of ownership. Final reminder, no pre-orders exist, no deposits, no payment links. Official updates only come through InfoByte network. Next video, Tesla's OS and app strategy, how they'd convince developers and compete with Apple and Google. Drop a comment. Battery, Starlink, apps, or security? Which matters most to you? Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and don't fall for scams. See you next time.